Hey guys, my name is Chris. I'm doing my first ever mattress review for Ben. Ben is the ultimate sleep Sherpa, so I'm just testing out the waters here, reviewing this, the BedStory hybrid mattress that we got from Amazon actually. So this ships straight to your house in a box. I pushed it up the stairs. It's over 100 pounds, so it takes a little bit of effort. I would probably recommend doing this with 2 people. But got it upstairs, the coils add a little bit of heft to this thing, and unrolled it as you can see here. Now we let everybody test the mattress, not just me. I slept on it last night with my wife. Got the kids on there jumping on it. It does have some springiness, unlike the typical ship-in-a-box mattress, and that's because it has the springs inside. Now when I first felt this mattress, I thought it was maybe kind of a medium firmness. My wife's reaction was that it was soft, and I think she was actually right. After sleeping on it or laying on it for a few minutes, I realized it is pretty soft compared to the foam mattress I've been sleeping on for quite some time. I would probably rank it around a 3 out of 10 in firmness, if 10 was the firmest mattress you could get. So definitely under the halfway mark in my mind. It's got 3 or 4 layers of foam on top of those springs, and it gives it a little bit of memory effect, but as you can see, the kids having no problems jumping on it, and I'm not really having any concerns having them jump on it. It seems pretty darn durable for something that came in a box from Amazon. I've definitely had some cheap mattresses before, and this doesn't feel like that. There's no creakiness. You don't feel like you bottom out when you plop down on it. You know, it feels like a legit spring or hybrid mattress. Spring in the sense it's springy, but it's got that nice pillow top here. So if you like a softer mattress, this is probably a really good choice for you. It is a crazy world that we live in, that you can get a decent quality mattress shipped to you from Amazon. Now I would definitely sleep on this. It's a little too soft for what my wife likes. I could sleep almost anywhere, but it's impossible to know how it's going to hold up over time. I don't see anything in the quality here that would lead me to believe it wouldn't hold up, but you never know. Again, under 400 bucks for a queen. I'm loving this thing. I can't wait to put it to more use. We're not going to put it up there because it's not my wife's favorite, but I think we're going to take it over to another house the family shares, because that's in desperate need of a new mattress. The thing works great. And I couldn't be more happy with a sub $400 purchase. Now BedStory did send it to me, so I gotta say that, but overall, again, really happy. And I suggest you check out my review. I typed it up on the website, so check that out, and we'll see you guys next time.